Hey everybody, how is everyone doing today? Thomas here, and we are about to start our online trading session. Welcome everybody. Once again, my name is Thomas, and I'm an analyst and a trader with OLYMP Trade. And today I will trade for you. I will show you a few trading secrets that I use to improve my trading, and we will together learn one or two trading strategies or trading methods as you prefer. And I'm happy to get the questions from you so we can see, we can discuss it. Strategy, yeah, there will be a strategy. We're gonna choose altogether, I guess, which strategy we wanna discuss today because we have a number of those. We have 15 default strategies for advanced and for expert statuses. And also we have got plenty of other tricks that we can use, like when the moving averages cross, when we apply the Fibonacci levels, when we apply the levels of support and resistance, when we apply the trend lines, etc. So basically there are many different approaches to improve your trading and to make your trading more I would say, okay, so instead of random guessing, we can have the so-called educated guess. That's a common expression used in the English-speaking countries to describe trading. So even though we all, basically when we trade, we all make forecasts, but these forecasts, they have to be based on something. So if your forecasts are based on, I don't know, on something, doesn't matter what, it is always better than when your forecasts are based on I don't know, just intuition. So intuition is good. Intuition is a great tool, but you have to do the statistics, do the maths, and see in how many cases out of say 100 your statistics like lets you down, or on the contrary, lets you win and makes your trading more profitable. All right, so which trading strategy do we want to talk about today? How about you guys? Do you want to do Jack Tar today? I don't know. I love Jack Tar. That's my favorite strategy. Even though it's not the easiest one, still, in my opinion, this is one of the most exciting, one of the most interesting, one of the most fascinating trading strategies. So in this strategy, once again, the strategy is called Jack Tar. We have a combination of three moving averages with three different periods. So we have the 50 SMA, we have the 100 SMA, and we have the 200 SMA. Now, each and every one of these simple moving averages acts as a level of support or resistance depending where the current price is located. So in this example here on the Euro AUD asset, when we have when the 200, the nearest one, the red line, is above the current price, then this is the signal for a down trade from here. So you wanna, when the price goes all the way up like this, you wanna open a trade downwards. And basically, so you might wanna ask me when to open a trade and where. So I suggest that you open trades as close to this level or as close to this line, the simple moving average line, as possible. So let's once again, okay, so what has just happened is kind of like a breakout. So the price quickly broke above the 200 SMA, and then it also touched the 50 SMA, and then it, all right, and then dropped from there. Yeah, let's see how it goes. An interesting setup, and I think we're going to see a few more trades from this same asset. So it's Euro AUD. I have a pending order here. Okay, guys. Now, very interesting situation. This is how you learn how to trade Jack Tar trading strategy. So all you need to do here is you need to understand that we have the blue line here above the price, and that is the 50 SMA. Yes, and we want to open a trade downwards from here. See? All right. So when the price goes near, maybe a little bit before, maybe a little bit after, but that is the moment when you want to open a trade in the opposite direction. So if the price moves towards either one of the SMAs from bottom upwards, then you would want to expect a pullback, so a downwards move. So let's keep. So we have a huge drop in both Ethereum and Bitcoin prices today. In my opinion, that was expected, because we had this like double top formation plus a very strong psychological level of 5,000 for Ethereum to break. I would say that's nearly impossible from the first try, so we needed this correction. So when this correction happens, that's a good thing. And well, why is it a good thing? Well, because no one wants to buy at these prices. So the price has to go down a little bit. The asset has to become a little bit more attractive for more traders who would want to join the like say further movement. So I would say around 4,000. If the price drops, it's kind of like not so. Kind of highly unlikely that the price will go down, will go all the way down to 3,000 now. I don't think it's going to happen soon, but yeah, the price at 4,000 looks very attractive. So maybe even, but yeah, if it drops even further, then the price will become even more attractive. All right, let's try this one, basic dollar index. So you wanna. Yes, so I'm expecting a pullback from this line, from the 50 SMA, which is the simple moving average here. And what I expect is, well, something like this. So the price went up, went above, and then went near this line, the 100 line, and then it went up again. So another pullback. All right, what's going on here? So we have Euro GBP, Euro AUD. All right, so we might come across a few breakouts. So that can happen as well, guys. So sometimes you are on the same side of the market, and sometimes the market goes a little bit against you. All right, so we have enough time to cover up the previous losses and open more trade. Open more trade. Because last time we had I would say, an amazing win ratio. I think we had something like 75% or 70% winning trades with the strategy called Axel. And so this time we are trying a different one, because, well, basically I could do one strategy, but it's just, I do not want to do one strategy all the time. So then it doesn't. It's not interesting. But you can watch the previous webinar. It stays here in the list of videos, so you can check that out, and maybe include this strategy into your portfolio, or trading strategies portfolio. All right, let's try this one. So USD CAD, so the US dollar against the Canadian one. All right, let's try once again from the 200 SMA. All right, guys, I see that so far, well, currently the market might be in this phase when breakouts are happening. So maybe it's the time that I change the trading strategy, because if something like this happens, you don't, I mean, like, there is nothing to be upset about. All you need to do is you need to change your trading strategy. See, if something is not working, then you don't have to be upset about it. You don't have to punish yourself or anything. Just change your trading strategy, change the tool, and start over. All right, so yeah, I can see that now it's not the time for Jactar. Oh, I don't know, maybe maybe there is. Let's see, we have 2 minutes ahead of us with this one. So USD CAD dropping, this one going up. All right, let's give it a few more minutes, a few more tries maybe, and then I'm ready to switch to another trading strategy. Because basically trading is all about adapting to the ever-changing conditions of the market. So the conditions are changing, the setups might be changing a little bit, the volatility changes, everything changes, and you always have to adapt, right? All right, anyways, I want to switch to another trading strategy, and this trading strategy is going to be, what didn't we try recently? We didn't try Safari. Yeah, let's do Safari. I like Safari strategy. I like this strategy. So yeah, it seems that this strategy is just not the time for this strategy. I don't know, guys. It can happen. It's yeah, it can just happen. So now let's talk about a different trading strategy, which is called Safari trading strategy. And in this strategy, we basically have the combination of the two signals from the Williams percent R indicator and the MACD indicator. Now, in these two indicators, they basically tell us the two situations on the market. First, we have the bullish sentiment when both indicators are pointing upwards, when they both point upwards, like here. And we also have the bearish sentiment when the both indicators point downwards. So when the both indicators, like here, when they both okay, let me choose a different amount so I know when I started trading with another trading strategy. Okay, so let me give an example. This one, GBP JPY. See, both the two indicators, they both point downwards here, because the Williams percent R is under the midline, under the 50 line, the minus 50 line, and the MACD is also situated under the 0 line. So yes, that is the moment when you want to open a trade in the downwards direction, or you would want to open the majority of trades in the downwards direction. So simple as that. And of course, vice versa on the opposite. When they both point in the upwards direction, that's when you want to open upward trade. So let's try this one, the Euro AUD. Another a question from our chat. In a trading diary, do you make different columns for winning and losing trades? You know what? I would probably just use the same column, and I would just put either win or loss in kind of like opposite from against every trade that I make. So I don't think that you need two different columns. I think basically you should have asset, and then basically, yeah, win, asset, amount, and the next column will be win or lose, and then say P&L, or your profit or loss, something like this. So nice, we're gonna win here. Yeah, let's try one more trade. Why not? So I think I refer to these strategies as the so-called trading strategies. And with the trading strategies, you can have multiple, you can open multiple trades with one signal. So this, the signal is still there, right? So we have the combination of the both oscillators still point downwards. They both point downwards now, and based on this, we can open a trade in the one more trade in the downwards direction. So you don't really have to wait for the previous one to close. You just open one more trade. So yeah, it's this is how it works. This is basically on the contrary with the previous one, where we have one trade per signal. So we have just, yeah, basically you cannot open multiple trades. So, oh wow, that's volatile. That I call volatility, when it jumps up and then just drops so fast. Anyways, 20 seconds to go on this one, and with this volatility, I still expect a winning trade. Yeah, why not? I'm an optimist, right? All right, look at this. Now it's all right. Back to red. Now it's green. Okay, let's watch closely. And it's going to be a winning trade. Beautiful. All right. Seems that the market is more favorable to this trading strategy now. Okay, let's try this one. Gbp Usd. So the pound, or the cable, right? We call this asset the cable, because back in the day there was this cable between the US and so London, I guess, and Great Britain. And here we want to open a trade upwards. So the AUDCAD asset, or currency pair, and the both oscillators now they point upwards. So so the Euro USD, GBP JPY, nice, another winning trade. So one more winning trade on this one, beautiful. So CADCHF. Now this is quite an interesting example, because here I do not want to open any trades, because basically we have the, I would say, the contradicting signal, the conflicting signal, because the Williams %R tells us to open a trade in the downwards direction, and the MACD points upwards. So you want to skip this trade. You want to have only pure signals, and yeah, if something is confusing, just skip it. Just ignore ignore it. All right, guys, let's try. So GBP AUD, so the pound against the Australia dollar. Any more questions? All right. Wow. Okay, so let me read this question out loud. So I have only been trading for 3 months, and yesterday I opened 19 trades and won 10. I followed my strategy correctly, but it's not that much profit. Do you think I should open less trades? Very good question. Okay, so first of all, I need to know which strategy you used, and how many strategies you tried. You have tried already. so altogether, and whether you have your favorite trading strategy or not. Because if you have a say one favorite trading strategy, well, yeah, we can see from there. Because I would say basically, if you that's so 10 out of 19 trades, that's close to 55% winning ratio. So it's not bad. It might not be fantastic, but still that's 55% winning trades. And for example, if you trade with 90% profitability on expert status, you can make yeah, you can make money even with fixed amount of trades without even you know, the necessity to apply the loss compensation system or anything like it. So it all depends on your I would say expectations, and because I mean like your expectations have to be realistic, but at the same time I would say anything around between 60 and 70% winning trades, that is considered excellent. So in my opinion, that is excellent. So I would say 65 between 70, that's excellent result. Above 70% winning trades is, I don't know, is an incredible result. I don't know, very few people can make it, especially in the long run. Yes, sometimes you can have such, you know, lucky streaks or lucky sequences, but generally speaking, yeah, let's try Ethereum upwards because we can see the signal, very obvious, very clear signal, very pure signal. But in the long run, out of 1,000 trades, for example, if you can make 60% winning trades, that's very good. I would say that's very good. Anything above 65 is just excellent, and well, above 70% winning trades, I don't know, that's nearly impossible. I don't know. Well, that's possible, of course, but at the same time, guys, what I want you to understand is that trading is not just about win rate. So the winning ratio and strategies. It is also about money management. It's about risk management and many other things, and also maybe psychology of trading, which accounts up to 50% success in your trading. So market psychology or like trading psychology is, in my opinion, one of the mostly underlooked components of success in trading. But it's it's underrated. But in my opinion, that's the key element to success in trading. Because how many days do you need to learn a trading strategy? I know, 2-3 days. How many weeks do you need to master all? I would say 10 trading strategies. Well, 1 month, not more. And seriously, if you spend 1 month learning, like hardcore learning and practicing and analyzing your trades, then probably after 1 month of trading, you will know all the patterns, because it's all about repetitive mathematical patterns and these setup candlestick formations, indicators, etc. So this can be easily learned. But what is difficult in trading is learning to control your emotions, and that is the big topic. That is the topic of market psychology, and that takes I would say so much time and and that is the difficult part, because that's not a technical skill. That soft skill. That's a kind of like a popular name nowadays. So soft skills, yes, that's a soft skill, and to master this soft skill, oh my god, that is difficult, guys. And trust me, I'm talking from the experience. It took me, I mean, like, had I had I put more attention to this topic, I would have become a much profitable trader. I would probably now be working in Goldman Sachs or something. Had I done it on time. So, guys, trading on the one hand is not difficult in terms of, well, I mean, like, yeah, look. So Williams percent R above the midline, MACD above midline. So what else do you need to know? It's as simple. It's just simple. But what is important is that, for example, for me to control, not to invest, not to put $280 in this trade. All right, I want to invest. I want to trade $28 per trade. That's my goal for this webinar. All right. So that's why I do not want to like trade too much. I do not want to put too much risk in my trading. So yeah, guys, it's the most difficult part. Learning to control your emotions, learning to control your demons. Yeah, that's easier said than done, I would say. Definitely. Sounds easy in theory, or looks easy in theory, very hard in practice. Yeah, Gbp Usd. Let's set a pending order. Let's wait for a little pullback, tiny pullback, and we'll open a trade downwards with the help of a pending order. Try risk-free trades. Yeah, guys, let's do it. I have 852 risk-free trades. Jeez. All right. So $30 will be my next. See, easily activated. You just click here, select the amount that you want to use, and voila. Easy. Let's try this one. Another trade on gold. And then so many $1 risk-free trades, so those small trades. And let's try this one in the amount of 40. So risk-free trades are a great tool because basically you don't lose money, you don't lose any money. This trade is pretty much as already insured. It's like a trading with insurance. So yeah, let's try this one, Euro USD. So we're kind of stuck, not going anywhere. But so not anymore. But on the previous candlesticks, the indicators were telling to open trades downwards in the downwards direction. So wow, BDIX, that's my basic dollar index. One more trade here. See, 5 seconds to go on my previous trade, and that's a so closed with a loss, unfortunately. Oh well, anything can happen. Right, let's try this one. CC. Oops, maybe a little bit too fast here, but anyways. So nice. Where we going here on the Euro USD? Huh. Oh wow. This asset is a little too volatile when the US markets open. So the US markets opened what, 30 seconds ago, 20 seconds ago. Yes, this volatility is all caused by the US markets opening. Well, anyways, well guys, so I wanna show you once again the importance of like stay relaxed. Even though I had a very bad start here with where did I start? I started here, one. So I had all the trades that I made with the help of Jectar strategy today. They all closed out of the money. They all closed with a loss. Oh well, that can happen. But I remained calm and I immediately switched to another trading strategy. And this strategy is called Safari. And with Safari, I had 4 winning trades, 2 losing. Again, 4 winning trades, lose, win. So I would say I probably made the right decision to switch to another trading strategy. So I could have pushed further with with Jectar, but I realized that maybe it was the time to switch trading strategies. So guys, yes, it's all about Euro USD closed with a profit, and this one is definitely going to close with a profit. And not sure about commodity composite index. Maybe hoping. Let's try this one. Probably I want to open maybe 2-3 more trades. So I don't want to open say maybe 5-10 more trades. So 1 or 2-3 trades will be more than enough. All right. Kind of missed this one on Euro USD. Maybe I should have set up and downwards. Basic altcoin index, yes. And CCI closes with the profit. Nice. That is very nice. So I have once again 4 winning trades in a row, and both my risk-free trades closed with a profit. So I don't know, did I waste them? Oh no, I think I didn't waste them. I made profit with these risk-free trades. So because some people, they consider, oh my god, I should have so I should only use risk-free trades when the trade closes with a loss. No, it doesn't work that way. So I love today's webinar, guys. Very interesting webinar. Off to a bad start. Had a very rough start in the beginning. See, you all saw that anything can happen on the markets. And guys, that's my favorite strategy. I have to, Jactar is my favorite strategy. And sometimes even your most reliable friends will let you down. I don't know. So that's the harsh reality of our world. So well, anyways, it's always great to have a plan B, and in this case, I had a plan B. That was well, you saw that was my Safari strategy. So that's what I say. What I like to repeat, guys, that one strategy is good, 2 strategies is better, and 5 strategies, like knowing, learning, and mastering 5 trading strategies is the key to success here in trading, and that is your trading portfolio, right? So 5 strategies is more than enough. You don't need 10. Maybe, of course, you like, for example, I know all the 15 trading strategies that we have on the platform available, but I don't use them. I only use like maybe 5, 6, 7. So you don't really need like all the 15 or all 10 trading strategies. 3, 4 trading strategies. Your best friends, right? No one has like say 15 best friends. Everyone has 2, 3 best friends, and then you have like buddies, friends, whatever. Like you can call them different names. But so the point is that you need to have your best friends, your best trading friends, your aka trading strategies, and and then everything else. I can't see the red candles in my chart. I think that's a technical problem with your phone or your device, because I mean, like, they're all here. Wow, guys, see, I had a loss of almost $150, and now I'm back to profits, and I'm closing this webinar with a nice profit of at the moment it is around $80, and maybe my this last trade will also close with a profit. We'll see. Okay, a question from our chat. Sir, is it better to trade on a graph with low volatility or not? You know what? I would say I would probably choose high volatility than low volatility, because low volatility usually means low rate of return. So if we scroll down all the way here, so something like, okay, maybe not USD TRY, but okay, so this asset has to be has also to be kind of like popular. But look at this, it's, yes, this is what I call a low volatility chart, because we have, yeah, well, I might not be able to provide you with a good example probably now. I don't know. Something like this is called low volatility, and you never want to trade when the volatility is this low, because, well, the price just doesn't go anywhere. It stays in one place. It stays in this narrow range, and you want to skip this. So, oh wow, that's going to be a losing trade. Oh well. Maybe I can open a downwards trade from here. See, that's a level of resistance. So no one prohibits from, using three different methods or trading tools at the same time. I saw this very strong level of resistance, and I just couldn't resist opening a trade. How you control emotions? Wonderful question from Kishan Gat. So how do I control my emotions? Well, it's easy. What you need to do is you need to slowly expose yourself to higher loads. It's like you go in a gym. How many kilos do you want to put on a bar first time? Like say 10 kilos maximum if you are a complete newbie. And then next week you can maybe put 15. And then in a few months you can put 20, and then 25, 30, etc. So everything has to be a gradual process, and getting accustomed to big amounts of money and basically to trading to trading in general, it requires time and it requires patience. And so generally speaking, it has to be a gradual process. So if you don't feel comfortable with $10 per trade, go down to $1 per trade. You don't have to open. Like no one makes you trade with 10 or 15 or $20 per trade. So just stay with like $1 per trade, and then slowly increase this amount to $2 per trade, then 3, 5, 7, 10. So it just has to be a gradual process, guys. That is the basic concept of trading. Everything has to be gradual, like in any walks of life. So trading is not different from any other skill, from any other skill set. It's like driving a car. You never want to go say 100 kilometers per hour in a city when you're just starting. So start with something easy, something with something simple, and something comfortable. So you've got to be comfortable, right? You cannot just it's like, well, just think about any kind of like you want to dive, right? You want to start diving. Do you start with diving to the depth of 50 meters, or do you start by practicing in a pool, say a 3-meter deep pool? That's right. The same principle applies to trading. So it has to be comfortable. You have to feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable, then instead of focusing on correct trades, you will focus on how to not lose money. All right, guys. So let's examine my trading strategy. So talking about okay, I will not talk about. So with Jactar, it's all obvious. I had 100% losing trades. Now let's talk about the second strategy, the Safari, that allowed to make me $77 in profits. Now I have, or maybe even more. So it's basically, if we consider that I lost 150 by Jactar, and then I made a recovery of 250. Anyways, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 winning trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I had 16 out of 21. Wow, 16 out of 21. So that's a 76% winning ratio, guys. Um, just to be realistic, I wanna stay realistic with you. You cannot do such a good win ratio all the time, even though everyone wants and everyone dreams of it. But set a realistic target. 60% is good. Is it possible to get a consultation for you? Unfortunately not, but we have so many other analysts in our company speaking 10 different languages. So you can request a consultation from them. Is 1 minute trades reliable? Generally speaking, I don't think so, even though we have a trading strategy called barcode, and barcode is, I would say it's a trading strategy, so barcode is better um, than nothing. So for 1 minute trades, use barcode strategy. Do people manipulate the trades? Manipulating trades happens with very low liquidity assets, and you can read many stories, especially about crypto tokens, the so-called strategy called pump and dump. That is a very common thing on crypto markets. So how do you decide on the duration of trades? Well, I just use, so my default time, my default expiration is equals to 3 minutes with when I analyze the charts on 1 minute time frame. But when I analyze my charts with, say, 15 or 30 minute candlesticks, then I can easily go to, say, 3 hours, 4 hours, etc. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed my trading strategy and trading in general. 76% win ratio today, and I will see you on Thursday, same time, same channel. Stay tuned, and yeah, I will see you soon. Thomas signing out. Have a wonderful day and good luck in trading, guys. Bye bye.